Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to change page orientation in Affinity Publisher. Let's get started. At first, we have to open Affinity Publisher document. Now we want to change the orientation to this existing document. Firstly, go to the window menu and enable the pages option to see the all pages at once. Now we can see here all pages is portrait mode. Now we want to make this mode is landscape. Go to the file menu and click the document setup option. Otherwise, press Ctrl Shift P on our keyboard to go to this. Then select the dimension option and we can see here the page preset. You can choose any preset. Now I am select this and we can see here the orientation of page, here the landscape or portrait. Now I am choose the landscape and click OK and check the all pages. Now we can see we change the orientation of page very easily. You can go back again and change the page orientation portrait. Select this portrait option and click OK. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.